Hi guys, hi everyone, this is Chayan here from quickpreview.in and let me show you the product Promote Your Offer. So Promote Your Offer is a source of traffic. You can think of that you are getting a source of traffic and you are promoting your offer by just investing some dollars, like you can think of $12 and some cents. So $12.95, so approximately $13 you are investing and you are getting a good traffic source, a huge traffic source within just this price. So also you are backed by 30 days no satisfaction money back guarantee with this tool by the owner, and also from the Warrior Plus platform they are giving you 30 days no satisfaction money back guarantee. So let me show you how you can use this tool or what are the given stuffs inside this tool. Then I will show you my bonuses that are given by this tool, that are given with this tool totally free from my website. Okay, so the first thing is the welcome, then the overview, pretty usual stuffs, and main training starts from here. So introduction to training is a very important video of this tool, and the next thing is the submit your URL, and inside submit your URL, the fun thing is as soon as possible, if you purchase the tool, as soon like first come first served basis, they have some good websites with high domain authority, with high ranking authority, and they will publish your link with some images to their website. That's how you will be getting traffic. Okay, interested traffic will be clicking on your on the ad or on the link. Like you can think of Google display ad. Like let me show you from here some examples. Okay, so let me just type Google display ad. So this is Google display ads, and let me show you some images from here. So you can think of this kind of ads like okay, so let me show you some correct ads. Okay, so this kind of ads you have seen on YouTube or some any other website, some random websites. Like this kind of ads you are getting within just 13 bucks, and that is insanely cheap. Okay, in my opinion that is insanely cheap, and as soon as you purchase the tool and give them the URL, you will be getting traffic. So the thing is, you need to act first to get the most of the link, or the bunch of the link, to get all of the clicks or all of the buyers, to get noticed by all of the buyers. You have to move first as soon as possible by you. Okay, so the next thing is join the offer hub. Like join the offer hub. This is the offer hub that comes also with this tool. That is a tutorial based and some resource based product also, and that will teach you also some about some offers, like how you can, if you don't have any offer, if you are a green grass newbie, then you can depend on these offers, getting some affiliate commission to earn money online. And really from online I have also earned by not promoting these tools, or maybe I have promoted these tools, I don't know exactly, or like these tools are also placed inside Warrior Plus marketplace. I have promoted so many tools from Warrior Plus and I have earned money. So make money online is not a fake thing. I wanna tell you that this is totally genuine thing. If you just invest your time and know the proper way, know the proper method, you can earn a very good money. Today also a good product is launching that is named as I just forgot. Let me show you if I can show you the product. That is Launch-O-Matic. Okay, that is also a very good product to show you how you can earn money. I am also getting some new knowledge from that tool. Okay, I have used that tool. I will be showing you that tool after this video. Okay, you can check out the review also, Launch-O-Matic. So the thing is, free traffic training is given, the traffic exchanges is given, the classified ad boards is given. So these are the tutorials and training, and affiliate marketing trainings are also given, how you can choose your product. If you are a green grass newbie, then you should go through this offer hub. If you already know all of the steps, you don't have to go through this section. Next thing is how to promote offer hub. You can also promote the offer hub and earn money using this tool. Okay, and the next thing is the special squeeze pages, the regular squeeze pages, the conclusion, the bonus is pretty usual for any other products, and that is a similar thing for like other products, and that is given inside this tool. So the thing is, promoting your product inside $13 you are getting inside this tool. That is the main thing or fundamental thing of this tool. Apart from that, these are the additional stuffs, and this has a lesser value. Okay, so that's all I want to say. Like you can use the instruction and you can follow the instruction, like how you can submit your URL. From this guy you can know all of the stuffs and you can just implement the stuff. Like using the offer hubs, you can click on the products and you can promote them, and you can earn money, you can get traffic within just $13. That's all I want to say. So let me show you now from this page. This page will redirect you to the sales page. This is a button, or there are 2 more buttons given inside this page, so you can click on any of them, you will be redirected to this page. So this page is the sales page of this tool, and if you go through by clicking on these buttons, you will be getting the bonuses from my website totally free. That is the main cause you should go through by clicking on this button. And while you are clicking on this button is included with my or compacted with my affiliate link. So I will be getting commission if you purchase the $13 product. I will be getting some commission. I don't know exactly how much I will get, but I will be getting some commissions. Maybe it goes to up to 50%. Okay, so that is the thing. That will be a win-win condition for you and for me also. I am working on this field for so many days, and as I am working on this field so many days, I have got so many good and valuable bonuses that will be given to you with this tool. So you can use this $12 choice, or you can use the $9.95 choice by just getting this tool as an early bird. Maybe you have noticed while I was leaving this page, like if I want to leave this page, it is giving me $3 discounts. So it is only for the early birds. Okay, so if you want to get the $9 product or $10 product approximately, then you should go through as soon as possible by you. And if you purchase any of the upsells, you will be given the mega bonus. So these bonuses now we are watching, total 29 bonuses will be given to you inside front-end product. Like let me show you, these are the front-end bonus, and there are some vendor bonus also, like that will be given to you by default from the vendor. And there are some upsell bonus if you purchase any of the upsells apart from the front end. Now what are the upsells? Let me show you. So these are the upsells. Okay, upsells also has a downsell. You can also purchase the downsell. You will be given the 400 plus stuffs. Okay, so this is the 400 plus stuffs. Now it is very very authentic that I can't show all of the 400 plus stuffs here. So I have chosen this method, that the plugins, the software, the loop music, the images, the doodle pack, the PLR products, everything will be given to you. I have written here in a short form, so you can use this button to go through the sales page and get the tool. And then that's I want to say. Okay, so I am signing out for this video. I am thanking you that you have given your time. So have a good day. Thanking you again. Bye bye.